Kublai pi barong iprang subhai pi syak ni ketup kebar jingi mentah ke janmit. Hasham nyezdang ini pet shwa yakimat ki bakungsan. Anle jengok Menteri Rang Badu Kariu Narendra Modi ya ke jala Karnataka bat Kerala naduk la syai ke sengi. Enok senyang yaki projek penroi baper-per syakari. Pendikenaka High Level Committee Halor ka harijan koloni ban penken riak no yaki beriu ki basyong basa hatem motor syaka kotor jong ke Shillong Municipal Board kabaladon lupa. Menteri Rang Ba Kajalau Konrad K. Sangma ulo ong ba an penlong ya kajing tokit halor kajing kenok don peti bamsap jong ketanat pulit ha kabai dei bat ki kali tang lada ai jingmut ketanat ki kampoing ban lek kumta. Bat yalek ke Sarkar Meghalaya ban penstet ya kajing ya keren yasuk bat ke seng HNLC kene ka kam kelayach kemat ong Menteri Rang Ba Kajalau Konrad K. Sangma. Ki khubar ki babnya Menteri Rang Badu Kariu Narendra Modi unsa lejngo ya ka Mangaluru ha Karnataka ha ka Artrek unailur bat unsa IT syakari ya ki katuk ni ki projek penroi na Goldfinch Ground ka badon hakulur. Menteri Rang Badu Kari unsa buru ya mau nongrem na ka benta ban penyo ya ka integrated liquid petroleum gas bat ka bulk liquid petroleum ka umpnyang bat ka lubricant. Buru ya mau nongrem na ka benta ka jaka ban bu ya ki tang pelang bat ki jaka san umpnyang kijaka pelang bitumen bat yaki way. Unsa IT ru syakari ya ka project BS6 upgradation bat ka seawater desalination plant jong ka Mangaluru Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited. Ka High Level Committee kala rai khadu ban penken riak no yaki laispa saupo artli kilongyeng jong ka harijan colony syaka kotor ka bladon lupa jong ka Shillong Municipal Board da ka basnai ki yang ki batmai. Haba pentep ya kani usembut Menteri Rang Ba Kajala bat ucian menjong ke HLC ubak Preston Tunsong. Ula ong ba katanat penroisor kelawan ra ya barok ki jingtep badan kam bat kila ai ya karai ka bakhadu halor kani. Katkum ka jing sngau jong ubak Tunsong halor ka kaipot bat ki jingtep bala badan kam bala ai da katanat penroisor ka penpau bala ban ai jaka barok ya barok laispa sopo artli kilong yang ha kani ka jaka bat katanat kala betha ban ai pat ya ka jingtep halor ka bailut bicep na kabenta banshna ya ki yeng ki baladon lupa ki badan kam ban penbahabat marmat ula pentep ru basyan ensa penlong ya ka jingelang bat ka harijan panchayat committee.
As I say, because they'll bring up not less than 12 blocks of this building. 12 blocks means, each building will have maybe 30, 40 flats, units, like that. So let us wait till they completed the DPR, the detailed project report, then only I'll be able to.
Menteri Rang Ba Kajalau Konrad K. Sangma, ulo ong ba ka Sarkar kan sa ai hukum ban penlong ya ka jing tokit, halor ka jing kenok bamsap ha katanat pulit, tang lada katanat ki kampo iyeng ka ai jing mut kumta. Ulo ong ba ka pau ba kaladon katu kat ni kimat ki bayedai bat ka jing bha, bat ha ka jing penankam lane ka jing penankam bakla ha katu kat ni ki benta. Henry haba kami ya karukam trikam kalong ka babiang. Menteri Rang Ba Kajala ula ongru ba kalong ka bamdai ban syurai lapla bat syukeno ba kaladon ka jingliat thok ni ka jingbam sab. Ula kampat ba syam ladon jingte ba halor ka jingpenmi ya kani ka kentian ha ka kaipot ka bala ai da sangut ki dekhot jong ka inquiry committee. Usang ma ula ong ba undang kmi banyak sywa ya ka kaipot bat ongru badan kam bandak mi sanibha lada ladon ka jing penankam bakla da ki pulit ya ka song pisa jong ki patba.
The department is going into the entire inquiry. They will go into the details and they will come out with their findings. And as per the suggestions that are given by the Home Department and the officials, we will definitely take action. Yes, if there are facts and figures and if it comes out that something is there, then it's fine. But I don't think it's proper to just limit. So let the process continue. And as I said, we will ensure that whatever has to be done from our side, we've never shied away from any inquiry, any commissions, any inquiry that has to be done. We will not shy away from that either.
Kasarkar Meghalaya kala yale ban pinstet ya kerukam keren yasuk hapdeng ki likely ki kinhun bakentop ya kasarkar pedeng kasarkar jala bat ka seng HNLC. Haba pintep halor kania Menteri Rang Ba Kajala Konrad K. Sangma ulo ong ba kani ka kam kalaya chakmat bat ka sarkar kalayale ban pin stat kat bala ban pin kloy ya kani ka jingya kren hakwei pat kaliang ulo ong badai ban sngotu ba kani ka kam long ka ba kham e bat ula pin pau ya ka jing sngo scam ba kani ka jingya kren kan poisha ka thong kumba sangut ki khot jong ka HNLC kila don ha kani ka nong ba na ka benta kani ka jingya kren yesuk ka balong ha pedeng ka sarkar pedeng bat ka sarkar jela.
This is a process. We have to understand that things don't happen immediately. There are a lot of concerns from all sides, and which are very genuine, of course. And therefore, we need to take all those concerns into mind, and then take the talks forward. So things are on track. We are moving in the right direction, and we will try to, to speed up the process as much as possible. But as I said, we need to also realize that this is a complicated process. And we need to take everybody into confidence, build up the confidence as we move along. But as I said, things have been initiated, and I'm very sure and very confident that we will be able to take this discussion also to its logical conclusion.
Ki likely ki Autonomous District Council, ki lapanpor na ka sarkar jela ban khmi banya halor ka jingtho, balapha da ulat ka jela halor ka jing pentrikam, ya ki kendon an, Code of Criminal Procedure kat kandai spa nyopulai, but Code of Civil Procedure CPC kat kandai spa pra, hakeleng ka jela Meghalaya. Ki klit nong yalam jong ka KHADC, GHADC, but GHADC. Kila ya kendo ya menteri rang ba ka jela Konrad ki sangma, ban pinpau ya ka jing songkia halor ka jing sha penduk bor jong ki District Council Court na markani ka jing tho. U Deputy CEM ka GHADC unikman marak ulayathu syakin nong thok khubor hadin ka jing yalang bat menteri rang ba. Da ka ba ong ba barok lightly ki ADC ki haban pha ya ka jubab jong ki maroi sya menteri rang ba ka jela halor ka benta ba ki yeng na ka benta ka jing terwa ban pentri kam ya ka CRPC bat CPC hakeleng ka jela. Hakoi pat kaliang menteri rang ba ulo ong ba kam don kanu ka jing kli halor ka jing kli halor ka jing duk bor jong ki District Council.
Now we are trial in the village court. Village court don't have any CRPC or CPC. There is a Laskar and judicial officer there. They should not take any law. They should not take any trial applying CPC and CRPC. After long discussion, we come to the conclusion since we got the notification by judge itself. So we have asked some more time. 48 hours has been asked by us, then time has been given.
And that whatever steps are being taken right now and are being suggested by the government is only to regularize the overall functioning of the judiciary, where the separation of the executive from the judiciary has taken place. But while we say that, it's simply to ensure that the continuity of the judiciary in terms of now from the ADC judiciary to the judicial magistrates can happen in a smooth manner.
Kakam Meghalaya kabalong ka kinhun san pertai menta kasngi kelapin bena ya kakong wan penhun karsentiu kum ka kertong ka banyakun na East Shillong constituency. Kakong karsentiu kan hab banyakun persya ya ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo kabala sya weng no swashipor na kaseng kongres. Kakong karsentiu kadai ka kertong ka balai jong kakam Meghalaya. Haswaya kani kaseng kelapin bena ya ki arngut ki kertong ki banyakun ha ki election ka banwan sya ki yang darbar thawan jong ka jela. Kini ki dekat ki kentup yu ba kersoi bor pertu uban yakun na North Shillong bat kakong Angela Rengat na South Shillong.
Ingin ong iti na karansan kam nga ngami ikman. Da ka hok da ka basyay ngamdan ay ngamdan kata ka bor pisa mga nekun. Ndai ngadan kata ka commitment lani kata ka mensim ka ba arpos na nga da proof pat nga da pati jinya denti ka jonga bat kipat ba. Bat bala da kipat ba ki ay ya kata ka jingkersyan ngin continue ya kani kajing yele kajongi bangin penyo biang ya ki hok ki jong ki priyo
ingin pensai sekipat ba namar ba ya kapisaru ngimde bangidon pisa mangimo ndai ngialum ngia kidon ki paralok ki baya kersan nyale kata ka crowdfunding ka baki ong ndai kadai ka hok sekipat ba pantip ka no ka jingyo pat ka no ka jinglot but nakakam Meghalaya ngin present kini ke accounts manu benai.
Haringkat bat karihi barok kawai. Kajela Meghalaya Kejala Meghalaya kalai snok ti ha kajing rakhe ya ka Ganesh Chaturthi kabadai kajing le nyam jong ki pait rungat Hindu ha ka bayadai bat kasngi kha jong ublai Ganesha. La penlong ru ya ki program ba per ha keleng ki benta jong kanong ba tunginya khmi ya kane kajing rakhe. Mentapat ngin pet ya kajing long jiman ka sunbareng hasilong. Kajing shet kalong ar penyo degree Celsius bat kajing kret kalong kat nyo degree Celsius. Kajing singam kawaw kalong nyo pulai nak sispa akapor step bat prapusaw nak sispa akapor janmit. Kalak bendon kajing hapslap kabamlumala haki babun ki jaka. Sashi sinpat ipen kenmau biang yapi bayakan ka khubor ka jongi. Pilar ban pet live haki YouTube channel jong ka DD News Shillong. Haswa bangin pinkut in pet biang sashi sin yaki mat ki bakongsan. Anle jingo Menteri rang bakdo kariu Narendra Modi ya kejala Karnataka bat Kerala nadu la syai kesngi. Ennok senyang ya ki projek penrai ba per syakari. Pentikna ka high level committee jong ka Harijan Colony ban pinken riak no ya ki beri ki basyong basa ha ka temator syaka quarter jong ka Shillong Municipal Board ka Baladon lupa. Menteri rang ba kajalau konrad ke sangma olo ong ba an penlong ya kajing tokit alor kajing kenok don keti bamsap jong katanat kulit ha ka bay day bat ki kali tang lada ai jing mut katanat ki kampo yeng ban lek kumta bat yale ka sarkar Meghalaya ban pinstat ya kajing ekran yesuk bat ka seng HNLC kene ka kam kalaya chakmat ong menteri rang ba kajalau konrad ke sangma. Te perlok ka tungi lapoi syaka bakut jong kene ketup kebor jengi mentah ke janmit. Hadop bang na syemeng bat pila syai ke sengi kublai yapi barok.